Let's learn letters and their sounds. Let's go! A is for apple, 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 apple. B is for ball, ball, ball. C is for cookie, cookie, cookie. D is for daddy, daddy, daddy. E is for elbow, elbow, elbow. F is funny, funny, funny. G is for go. H for happy, happy, happy. I for igloo, igloo, igloo. J for juice, 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 juice. K for kite, kite, kite. L for lion, lion, lion. M for mommy, mommy, mommy. N for no. O for ox, ox. B is for pizza, pizza, pizza. Q is queen, queen. R is for red. S for star. T is for tiger. Tiger. U is for up. V is for van. Van. W for water. X for box. Y for yes. Z is for zero. Zero. That's it. Bye bye.